Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. How to solve this problem number 140 using AutoCAD software. A hexagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its corners of the base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis of the pyramid is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So this is the problem, and this will going to be the final solution, wherein we need to have the axis rotated at an angle of 40 degrees to HP and appears to be inclined to VP. So you are going to get the apparent inclination directly. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits, specify upper right corner, you take 297, 210, then zoom all, then go to line, select arbitrator point, give the distance as 297. So here you take the distance as 210 and this as 297 and here this as close. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. Then go to polygon and the number of sides is 6. So you take the edge option. So here you take this distance as 25. So once you do that, so you're going to get this. Then go to line, take intersection part of these two, and then intersection part of these two, then intersection part of these two. So now once you do that, now we want to create the layers now. So first go to layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, click on new, type the layer by name axis, click on new, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, click on new, type the layer by name front view, hidden, click on new, type the layer by name top view, hidden. Then you just go to layer 0, make that layer as 0.05 and click the layer as XY, make it as 0.13 and click on axis, take the axis layer as 0.05. The front view you make it as 0.5 and the top view also you make it as 0.5 and then the front view hidden as 0.3 and the top view hidden as 0.3. Then we want to go for axis line. You just click on this, go to load, take center, C, OK, and again go to load, take H hidden and say OK and click on center and say OK. Then the front view hidden layer should be of hidden line type and the top view hidden line type will also be of hidden line type. Then go to top view, click on blue, front view hidden as red and the top view as blue again, and this will going to be the front view which has red and the axis line will be of magenta color. Then say close. Now you just click over this and go to layer, make that layer as top view now. So once you do that, you switch on the line weight display, then you draw the horizontal line and now you take the height as 50. So to do that, go to offset, take the distance as 50 and then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this, then take intersection part of this, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this, then take intersection part of this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to mirror, select these two and select these two, mirror with reference to this line, then go to fillet between these two, then go to erase, then go to break, then you click on this, go to layer, make that layer as axis layer, take the distance as 10, then you just click over this and you take these two and take this line, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So once you do that, now you just copy this first position front view to the second position and rotate that by an angle of 40 degrees. So to do that, just go to copy, select this entire drawing and then select this, then go to rotate So then go to rotate, select this and rotate by an angle of 50 degrees so that it will going to become inclined. Then go to move, previous, move it and place it appropriately. Then go to line and then go to line this point and similarly line, take intersection part of this too. Then go to line, take INT of this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cut ended and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take INT of this, you take this horizontal line and similarly you take this as the horizontal line and take line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to zoom window, then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this and take INT of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take INT of this and take intersection of this now. Then go to break, select this, take first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now you just click on this line and this line and all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. Once you do that, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you click on this line and also on this line and go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just click on this and click on this and go to layer, make that layer as top view hidden and then you take this distance as 20. Now once you do that, so you have that and this will going to have both are one and the same. Now you just come down to the zoom previous, then go to line, take intersection of this and then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line. Now you just go to the second position and copy the second position here and rotate by an angle of 45 degrees in clockwise direction. So you copy this here and then you just rotate this by an angle of minus 45 degree because it is in clockwise direction. So to do that, then go to move, switch off this ortho mode and take it wherever you want and place it. Then go to line, switch on the ortho mode, take intersection of this, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Now you just go to the line, take intersection of this, then go to line, take end point of this now here. So you make this perpendicular, so then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to line, take INT of this and then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of these two. Once you take that, then you take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between this and this. Then go to line, take INT of this and then go to line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between these two. Now we go for joining these points by using the line command. take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and then take intersection of this. Then you take intersection of this and then intersection of this and then intersection of this and then intersection of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and then intersection of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and then intersection of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this. Now you just click over this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and give the distance as 10. Now we need to go to all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You make that exterior edges of the boundaries and the surface nearer to the observer is visible and this edge is visible. So once you do that, then it becomes front view. Now which are the lines which are invisible? You take this and you take this and you take this. Then go to layer, take this as front view hidden and make the distance as 20. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. And then you just click over this and click over this and go to layer, make that layer as XY. Now we have go to DDIM, then go to modify, then go to primary units, make it as 0 and then go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, then offset from the origin as 3, go to arrow size as 3, then go to lines and symbols, take the offset from the origin as 3, okay, say close. Then go to zoom window. Now we need to go to break, then go to dim, take intersection of this and here intersection of this line. So here you're going to get 25 and take int of this and take intersection part of this. So here you're going to get 50. Then go to angular, dim, angular, select this line and select this line. So you're going to get 40. Then again angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get this 45 degrees. Then go to dim TED. So select this and you bring it here as 40 degrees and you select this and you make it as 45 degrees. Then you just go to D-text. So here you give it as 3 and put the caps lock on, make it X and you make it as VP and you make it as HP and you make this as Y. So here you make it A, B, C, D, E and F. Here it is O and then O1 and here it is O dash, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, here it is F dash and then here it is O1 dash and then you just go to move, select this, switch off the ortho mode, VP and HP, then Y. Then you move this A and you move this B, you move this C, you move this D, you move this E, you move this F, you move this O, you move this O1 and then you move this A dash, you move this B dash, you move this F dash, you move this O1 dash, you move this C dash, you move this E dash, you move this D dash and then you move this O dash. So here you just take VP, A dash, F dash, B dash, O dash, C dash, E dash and D dash, go to layer, make that layer as front view. Similarly, you just click on HP, A, O1, O, B, C, D, E and F. Go to layer, make that as top view. Now we'll go to copy. So you just go to the second position now. So you have to copy this A dash here. Then you copy this B dash here. Then you copy F dash here. Then you copy this O1 dash here. Then you copy this C dash here. And you copy this E dash here. Then you copy this D dash here. Then O dash. Then you take A. You take O. And that O will come here. And this B. And that B will come here. And this point is C. That C will come here. And you copy D. That D will come here. And you copy E. And that E will come here. You copy F. And that F will come here. And you copy A here. That A will come here. And you copy O1. And that O1 will be here itself. Now we go to D text. You mark this as O dash. So here this is A dash. And this is B dash. And this is C dash. And this is D dash. And this is E dash. And this is F dash. And this is O1 dash. Then just go to move. So here you click on O dash, C dash, O1 dash, F dash, E dash and D dash, and go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to get the final sketch, and this drawing and this drawing is one and the same, and this is how you'll be able to complete the drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.